Hi friends, after looking at some details about three variable K map, now let's get into a problem which is having four variables A, B, C and D, and with four variables there are 16 possibilities 0 to 15 as min terms. So let's assume a problem. So this needs a 16 celled K map, and 16 cells are properly put in a 4 by 4 matrix form, and this has four rows. That means two variables will define the four rows, and there are four columns, so two variables for two columns. So if we take AB to define rows and CD to define columns, then the min terms would be a 0 here, a 1 here, 0 0 0 0 is 0, 0 0 0 1 is 1. I'm sorry. And this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5, this is 6, this is 7. So just remember that these two columns are swapped. Same way, these two rows are also swapped to make things convenient. These two rows swapped, these two columns swapped, so as to make sure that the neighboring cells have only one variable changing, all others variable will be common. So that is 7, then 8 comes here, 9 here, 10 here, 11 here, 12 here, 13 here, 14 here, and 15 here. 15 means 1 1 1 1. So that's how uh, K map for four variables look like. Done. Okay, now let's get into solving our problem. Okay, so this output F, which has got inputs A, B, C, D, should be high when the minterm is 0. That means 0 0 0 0. That's minterm 0 is this cell. So it has to be high. Okay, let me say 1. Then for 1, it has to be high. For 2, it has to be high. For 3, it has to be high. This is 4, this is 5. Then for 6, it has to be high. For 7, it has to be high. Then 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, it has to be high. 15, it has to be high. And all other things which are not present here, it means that for all those combinations, the output is going to be low. Done. So what all you can see now? Yes, you can see a quad. Okay, let me define one quad. Okay, what is this quad talking about? C and D are going to change. Only A and B are common for all four. A is 0, so it is A bar. B is also 0, so that is B bar. Done. Okay, what else you can see? Oh, this for these two. you can think of these four. Then for these two, you need one more. Instead of having multiple things, so one thing is you can have these two, four as one quad. Then for these two, you can have one more quad. But instead of having two quads, you can have only one quad, which is this. So this quad can be avoided so that all cells with one can be used with only two quads. So what is common in this quad? As far as row is concerned, A is changing in these two rows, B is common, so this is B, and for columns, C is same, D is changing. So our final results is f of ABCD is equal to A bar, B bar, or BC. So that's the simplest way of solving the problem. Now you can visualize what all are possible. So if you just look at this 16 single cells are possible. Now counting pairs, this is one pair, two, three, this and this together, four. Four, 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 four. That makes 16 pairs. Then if you look column wise, this is one pair, two, three, this and this together is another pair. So for this column you find four pairs, four, four, four. So 16 column wise, 16 row wise. So total 32 pairs are possible. Done. How about quads? One row is a quad, second row is a quad, third row is a quad, fourth row is a quad. So four quads, four rows, then four columns, four quads, four plus four, eight. Then one, two, three, this four. Then one, two, three, four. One, two, three, four. Then finally this one, this one, these two, these two, these two, these two, these two, these two, all four corners. So that way, so four rows, four columns were four quads. Then one, two, three, four, four times second, three, 12 times. Then another four, 16. So many quads are possible. Now talking about octals. These eight cells can be grouped together. These eight cells can be grouped together. These eight cells can be grouped together. These four together. So that makes four octals row wise. Same way, these eight, these eight, these eight, these four, and these four. So four octals column wise. Totally eight octals possible. And at the end, if all cells contain a 1, then you can use this whole all 16 cells together. Now your right answer is equal to 1. And that's how the things can be solved. So that's for 4 variable K map. So let's continue solving some more examples in coming sessions. So till then, take care. See you. Bye.